about to
Just
do?
for the lookout viewers.
Yeah, man, you might have passed, scared them off. I'm getting it ready.
I'm not going to war. Man, it's hard for a motherfucker to lead with him. That youngster driving, man.
Yeah. The driver.
Ask him who got that money, man. Change.
That old boy with the old boy.
Oh, he got it.
The one with the suitcase.
Yeah, nah, we gotta see some cash, man. Yeah. No, we wanna see 1,000, y'all. Put it up. We gonna let somebody hold this money. We'll let Lookout hold a bit.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Yeah.
Look out.
With that red bitch. Hey, I got the baddest motherfucking MC that come to the good. Hey man, who got the baddest MC that come to the good? Me. This money, you ain't say man. You can't come to the good no more without seeing me, dog. Shit.
Tyrone said they got too many moves.
Yeah, and you don't want to be on YouTube.
Tyrone come out put a nigga on YouTube.
Yeah.
Got to. Man, you folks come all the way from Detroit. All the way from the upper room. Did you see Funky Town when Pretty Tony and Nasty race?
Something must have happened to that car.
Boy, you say I did it.
Something must have happened to that car.
Yeah, man.
He was 2 cars in front of him. He had about 2 cars. I seen spark come from under.
Ain't no track. It's the only track I ever been in a fucking track with my shirt on.
Oh, yes, you're right. Yeah.
Any race they look on goddamn YouTube, Taliban, I ain't never got a shirt on. When I take that shirt off, it's going down. No, that ain't it. That ain't red light, no race. Bet. Oh, I got a bottle of. Hey, it's pushing west snipe.
Hey, look. I think this might be what's finna happen.
Detroit in their motherfucking ass. Popped them in their ass. Now it's been the wrong route.
Boom, goddamn, boom. Yeah. 400. Look at my own idea, my own.
500. Yeah. Boom, God damn it. Hey, boom, God damn it. Hey, he bet me 500 on the gas. Look at him. Boom! Goddamn me. Hey, you just won.
We might have to whoop that nigga for that 500 on that gap. I know he ain't trying.
Oh, yeah, I got the money. Check that thing. Say, boom! Boom! Hey, shoot! Boom! Boom! I can't lose. I'm the baddest bitch in the world. Baddest motherfucker in the world.
I had to sit on up for they damn, but I need a medium pad. Fuck up. Damn.
I'm mad and I'm ready to talk.
Yeah.
That's all I need to know. I tell you what, they block in 100 now. Whoever he run next.
Why you not trying to fit him though? He trying to do the same thing. Hey, he got you on his door, dog.
He got him on the car. Whoever he run, bet 100.
Hey man, bet me on 100 on a blind bet right now.
That was easy. That was easy. Yeah, be dead.
Anybody run next.
We
We locked in, huh?
He didn't say no punk out there.
Yeah, okay, check
You
this out.
trying to get it for 50.
He said we locked in for 100.
Yeah.
We locked in. Didn't he say that?
Yeah.
We locked in for 100. Say, man, hey, look out. I said, say, man, it cost 50, get out. He said we locked in 100.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, we locked in 100. Look, hey, man, you see that kind of whole ass shit?
Yeah.
That will keep me on YouTube.
Right lane for the win.
Hey, well give me my 100 then, motherfucker. All right then. Cheap motherfucker.
Look at that scary motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hey,
Well, give me my 100 then.
Yeah.
Scary motherfucker.
Yeah.
Scary man.
If it was locked in, give me my 100 then, motherfucker.
Look at this motherfucker talk.
I don't want to get paid.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good.